So I'm not sure what happened there, but my video stopped videotaping, my camera stopped videotaping for a while. So I got the turbocharger assembly out. Here it is. Turns out the wastegate does not have to be detached. I put the screws back on. I think I'm going to tighten them really. So I'm going to tighten those. But I did have to destroy one more hose because it was hanging by this one last hose, and with no one to assist, I had to cut it off because I didn't realize that it was hanging by that. It wouldn't have been that difficult to separate. On the other hand, the hose doesn't look that great, so possibly it's a tiny little hose. Unfortunately, it's actually part of an assembly, hose assembly here. So that might be an OEM only thing. We'll have to see. So at any rate, it's out. There are two gaskets that fell out here. So one of these is this fellow. This guy, I think he goes here. There. There. I don't think you can see that. So this is that gasket over there. And one more gasket, which looks like it belongs to one of our banjo bolts. Now, it's kind of hard to tell which. This probably this guy. This one that goes over there. Okay. So I'm guessing that this gasket, I can see it actually there. Oh yeah, no wait, there is one gasket here. Is there a gasket on both sides? Yes, there is. So this banjo bolt goes in here. On top of the engine here, there's a junction with one line going out to each of the turbochargers. The other one is actually intact. We didn't have to take it out for some reason. This one's still here. I'm going to label it and put it aside.